Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you an overview of the workflow for PMB registrations. The prescribed minimum benefit registration workflow simplifies enrolling patients with specific medical conditions for entitled benefits, ensuring access to vital medical care and treatments regardless of coverage or plan. Using the suggested workflow will assist the practice to streamline the process of how patients are registered for PMB conditions and also to easily maintain the PMB status of the patient. In this video, we will do a quick overview of the 3 steps you may follow for PMB registrations. Step 1 will be adding a smart sticker protocol to a patient with a PMB condition. You can configure the smart sticker protocol to automatically include patients in the registered PMB condition smart sticker protocol when the ICD-10 code is assigned to them. For more information regarding this step, please refer to the PMB registration workflow setup overview user manual linked in this video's description. Now for step 2, we will be submitting the relevant documentation to the medical aid. By making use of the PDF printover workflow event, forms will be filled in automatically, utilizing the predefined placeholders on the relevant medical aid document. Once the form incorporates the patient's information, it can be conveniently submitted to the respective medical aid through an email template. To learn more about this step, please refer to the PMB registration workflow Step 2 user manual linked in this video's description. For Step 3, we will take a look at changing the status of the smart sticker protocol on the patient. After the registration is submitted to the medical aid or feedback is received, the status of the PMB smart sticker protocol will be updated to reflect the current status in the workflow. Please note that the status has to be manually updated when the allotted time period ends or a specific workflow step is completed. For more information regarding this step, please refer to the PMB registration workflow Step 3 user manual linked in this video's description. The PMB smart sticker will be updated accordingly to your choosing.